Hey guys, before you watch this video, we put together many new programs for you guys to boost your health and consciousness to the next level in 2021. Click the description link below. Everything to boost your meditation, your breath work, your qigong, your health, your fitness, cleanse and detox, and of course your financial fitness. Looking forward to seeing you guys after the video. Hey guys, Troy Casey, certified health nut here in Sedona, Arizona. The vortex, the healing energy of these stone Buddhas that are all around me, the pyramid energy, electricity. It's powerful here, guys. This is the land of healing for sure. The tribes didn't settle here. They came here for healing. And so come to Sedona for healing. So today we're going to talk about the 5 best ways to heal acne or clear up acne, if you will. So let's unpack this intuitively with my mind that has been opened up to all sorts of healing mechanisms. So first and foremost, let's recognize that the skin is an outer reflection of your inner world. As above, so below is the natural law of correspondence. All the work that I teach and my book is representative of the natural law of correspondence. As above, so below. Your outer is your inner reflection. Mind is an embodied process. Mind reflects body and body reflects mind, etc. And so if we are here to clean up the skin, you have to look at what you're shoveling in the pie hole. So that's number 1. Stop poisoning yourself with inflammatory agents. Inflammatory agents like gluten that have phytic acids, which are enzymes or proteins that are meant to protect the plant. And these things are enzyme inhibitors for the human being. And so when you put them inside the body rejects them. If you continue to put them inside the body, you can get leaky gut or gut permeation, and food particles, protein solids can go into the bloodstream. Then you release a histamine. So if you ever get puffiness after having a large meal or holiday meals, etc., it's reflected. What you're putting in your mouth will come back through your body. And so stop poisoning yourself. Stop putting inflammatory agents in the body. Get off corn, soy, wheat are known allergens. They're known inflammatory agents. And so clean up your diet as much as possible. You want grass-fed meats, pasture-raised, farmer direct. Everything when we're talking about food is about quality, not so much what you eat, but the quality of what you eat. And eat real food. We used to hunt and gather. So anywhere you can keep inside the realm of that, wild foods, wild game, roots, barks, berries, herbs, these things are very useful. Of course, my superfoods are excellent for that as well. Whatever your body will digest and not reject. And everyone's different, so you have to gauge that. It's a process of elimination when you stop poisoning yourself, when you clean up your diet, raise your vibration, give the body what it needs, and then it's going to reflect that on the outer. The second step you want to do is assess your stress levels. Your skin is directly related to your gut and your hormones. The way you break down food, the blood sugar balance, the insulin that's in your body, these are hormones. And if the insulin levels are off, you are going to be driven by adrenaline if you don't have enough blood sugar in your body. And that is driven by cortisol. Chronic elevated cortisol can break the body down and open you for all sorts of infections, including fungal infections through the gut, which will end up showing up on the skin. So manage and mitigate your stress. Read my book. It has the 7 factors of stress in it. So as a human being, you can navigate the unseen stressors, electromagnetic radiation, pollution. We just heard a diesel truck go by us. So you're inhaling lead, cadmium, all sorts of contaminants, industrial waste. And so that can also affect the gut, which ultimately affects the skin. It can also affect the stress, which affects the hormones, which affects the skin. And so it's all interrelated. Number 3, let's get off sugar, guys. You want to really clean up that acne? Let's get down to brass tacks. I know there's a lot of sugar Nazis out there. I'm not particularly a sugar Nazi because I believe that the chemicals are so much worse than the sugar. But if you add to it high fructose corn syrup from genetically modified corn, you know, that's garbage. It's grown with glyphosate. That's going to spike insulin levels. It's going to throw your hormones off. So eliminating sugar, going on an antifungal diet. In fact, maybe this should be number 1. If you're really dealing with acne, go on an antifungal diet. You can read Doug Kaufman's The Fungal Link. And so anything that the body can't process, it's going to push out through the skin. It's going to push it out through the lungs. It's going to push it out through the intestines. It's going to push it out through the skin. And so if anything is on the skin, you have to look at the gut. And sugar feeds fungus and parasites, other critters that we're in symbiotic relationship with. And so going on an antifungal diet or a no sugar diet is tough. I do believe you can have grapefruit, green apple, and blueberries are the only fruits you can have. You know, again, I'm not a sugar Nazi, so I let my clients have honey as long as they've cleared up their fungal infection, their gut. They have cleared up their gut microbiome to the degree it's not distended. They're not out of integrity with their physical structure. So sugar, it's a tough one, guys. So you're gonna wanna have your blueberries on hand for you. You're gonna wanna have a little honey to wean yourself off of the hard sugars, the white sugar, the added sugar in processed foods, and then too much fruit sugar as well. You're gonna wanna eliminate that. And basically you're gonna wanna go on a meat and veggie diet, all high quality, grass-fed. You're gonna wanna do that for a minimum of 60 days, which is a lot of work. It's normally what I coach people through so I can hold them accountable. But if you can do it, read the Fungal Link by Doug Kaufman and go through the protocol. And any of these concepts that I'm giving you is not poetic license to get neurotic and analysis paralysis over it. Try it, test it, dig down to bedrock. If it doesn't work or you quit because you just had to start mainlining some sugar, and you know, if you get off the train, get back on the train. Look in the mirror each day. Hey, is this helping me? Is it working me? Number 4, to clean up acne, dry fasting is the ultimate. But for those that aren't ready for the dry fast, because that's more advanced, I have number 5, which I'll talk about after this. Dry fasting locks up all the nutrition, the moisture that the fungus and the parasites proliferate on. So it chokes off their supply chain for anything. And you go through autophagy, and your body will start to scavenge any garbage that's in the body, and it goes very quick. It's been said a 1-day dry fast is equal to 3 days water fast or 9 days of juice fasting. So dry fasting is the ultimate, and you're going to want to research that and then test it. Do it with some dry fasting, intermittent fasting. A good dry fast is 18 hours. If you can make it to 24, great. If you can make it through, 2 sleep cycles, that is a deep dry fast. If you can make it to 72 hours, you're going to get really good results. But again, pace yourself, test it, see how you are. We don't want to send you into a Herxheimer reaction. So if you have pimples and acne all over your face, what's going on in the gut? If that starts to die off, it might give you some symptomology like the flu or some type of other headaches. And this can make people run away from the antifungal protocol, or just start eating more sugar, all of that. So you really have to watch it, and you can work with a professional, but this is it, guys. The acne is in the gut. It is in the gut, and it has to do with what you're eating and the environment that you're living in, and it's reflective of your skin. The final one that I have for you guys is the Biomedic which comes in the Purium Ultimate Lifestyle Cleanse. You guys heard me talk about this many times. This is a 30-day juice cleanse with a 10-day intensive component. The rest of it is lifestyle intermittent fasting, and it has the Biomedic, the only super probiotic on the market proven to pull glyphosate out of the tissues. You get it from me, you get a $50 discount. You get $100 off of the whole kit. And it's about $11 a day, give or take. This is the Super Cleansar. These are parasite herbs. They're medicinal. They're only to be used a few times a year intermittently. And you finish the whole bag within 10 days when you're on the 10-day intensive. This is going to help stabilize any foreign invaders. It makes it inhospitable for parasites and fungus to live in your gut with these. So big, large poops, you'll clean out. This is amazing. And then this works to pull the glyphosate. Now the reason glyphosate is such a problem, because the glyphosate kills the good microflora, the good bacteria in your body, and creates dysbiosis. Typically, a healthy human has 85% good bacteria and 15% bad bacteria. When that gets flipped, the guts get blown open, the pimples start coming out on the face. That's called dysbiosis. And so you want to reel that in. You want to clean out and purify the body, raise the vibration of the body as many ways as you can throughout the day. I recommend my clients stay on these products daily to continue to clean out the body. And the greens in this product, the wheatgrass and the spirulina, are natural cellular detoxifiers. Detoxify the gut, stop poisoning yourself, get off sugar, fine-tune the diet, recognize the 7 factors of stress. Bonus one, don't fuck with your sleep. Get really good sleep. Sleep with the rising and the falling of the celestial realm. Rise with the sun, fall with the sun. Right around there, and you should be much better. That's going to lower a lot of stress levels, and it's going to help your body rejuvenate. Your skin rejuvenates when you're asleep. So get good sleep. You can add some hot Epsom salt baths to lower your stress. You can get into a sauna and get that stuff sweating. Your body's detoxing through your skin. So you should be detoxing through your nose and through your poop and through your pee and through your perspiration. The 5 detoxification pathways. bonus. How long is this video, Curtis?
12 minutes.
Okay, we're about to end. So here's the bonus. The 5 detoxification pathways: urination, defecation, exfoliation, perspiration, and respiration. So breathing, getting into running, pranayama, some form of exercise that's going to get you detoxing. The skin is the largest organ in the body. The lungs are the largest detoxification organ. So make sure that you're defecating properly. Again, the ultimate lifestyle transformation, these parasite herbs will clean you out. And we also have other herbs. The aloe vera 40 times concentrate you get from Purium. Click the link below as well. Aloe vera 40 times concentrate to seal and heal the gut. Because it's not just to heal the gut, then you want to seal the lining. And the aloe vera is great for that. We also have the Aloe Digest, which is an excellent beverage with the beta glucans, again, to continuously clean up the gut, the ionic elements, which are minerals. You want good mineral content. You want good vitamins, minerals, and enzymes going through your body to constantly restore. So I hope that helps you guys. The bonuses, the 5 detoxification pathways, recognize that it's going to come through the skin, so you might as well sweat it out or shit it out or breathe it out. You know, get it out of the body any way you can. Get a dry skin brush. So there you go. There's the 7 best ways to clean up the acne in the body. I hope that helps you guys. So much love and respect to everyone out in cyberspace. You guys have a great day. Drop a comment in the box what you liked about this video. What do you think I left out? There's a bazillion ways to approach holistic health. I could have left out some good ones, and put it in the comment box below if there's something I forgot. And so God bless you guys. Have a great day. Peace on earth is coming. Woohoo!